In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a high-converting Whop store page. If you're looking to boost your store's performance and make it more appealing to customers, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, to get started, you need to log into your Whop account. Make sure that you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, head over to the storefront section and choose Edit Store. This is where the magic happens, where you can customize everything to make your store truly shine. Now, let's begin by uploading a clean, high-quality logo and banner. These elements are the first things potential customers will see, so it's vital to make a great first impression. Your logo should be easily recognizable and convey the essence of your brand, while the banner should complement your logo and highlight the main themes of your offerings. Next, let's focus on your headline. It's important to write a clear, benefit-driven statement that immediately communicates what your store offers and why it matters to potential customers. Your headline should grab attention and entice visitors to learn more about your products or services. Moving on, incorporate a short, persuasive description explaining your offer. Make sure this description is concise and highlights the primary benefits that your customers will gain. It's all about showing them why your solution is the best choice for their needs. Product images or mock-ups are critical in showcasing value. Use high-quality visuals that clearly illustrate what you're offering. Whether it's a tangible product or a digital service, visuals help bridge the gap between interest and desire, encouraging customers to take the next step. Social presence is essential. Add your social media links to build credibility and create additional touchpoints for engagement. Including a frequently asked questions section can also be incredibly helpful. It proactively addresses common inquiries, reduces hesitation, and streamlines the purchasing process. Customizing button text might seem like a small detail, but it can significantly impact conversions. Use action-oriented phrases such as "join now" or "get access" to prompt immediate action and cut through any indecision. Finally, promote your store using a short, trackable link. This makes it easy for your audience to find your store and allows you to measure the effectiveness of your promotional efforts. Trackable links provide valuable insights into your campaign's reach and success. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to designing a high-converting Whop store page. By following these steps, you can create a store that not only looks great, but also drives results. Remember, the key is to be clear, concise, and customer-focused. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give these tips a try on your own Whop store.